Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode. It's been a while since we updated, and I would like to say a big thank you to all the new subscribers. We arrived back in Italy last night, unpacked the car and went here for just 2 days. I'm gonna start the video by explaining a few things about the facade, since I've been getting quite a few comments about it. That's not paint, that's just the plaster. The house is unpainted at the moment, or the front of the facade is unpainted. We are going to paint it in the future. We are going to restore it back to its original color, which was beige yellow, actually slightly more yellow than we are going to do it. Basically we're going to do that shade. I'm not sure it's actually the correct shade on the camera. Anyway, the orange, traditional orange that people keep talking about, is not the original color. This was added in the 60s. It's a horrible plastic paint that ruins the facade. We are removing it. We are replastering the whole house and restoring it back to original. These red burgundy waves are not the original waves. We are gonna put the original decorations back on, which basically means a lot of painting around these paintings that goes all the way down here, all around the windows, very intricate stuff, all around this arc and all around the whole of the facade. So it's gonna be restored like it once used to be. We're not gonna ruin the house by doing something modern to the exterior. We're gonna keep it traditional for this area. And this is the actual original paint, which is a beige yellowish color and not that orange. So that's it for the little explanation of the facade. And on other news, this morning we went to the courthouse. We had a little meeting there with our lawyer and the window company's lawyer. And basically, for the new viewers, these are our old windows. They're beautiful single pane windows, which these are actually in okay conditions, but upstairs we have a few which are in horrible conditions. So we're changing these windows because these are one of the primary reasons it's very cold inside the house during the winter, and it's drafty and not very good. So what we'll do is we're going to replace these, and we ordered new windows some 15 months ago, paid for them, received a few, not even remotely near as many as we've ordered. We've received none of the windows for the villa, which basically means we are very late with the build here, and it's taken us far longer than we thought it would. So basically the judge said he has until end of May to deliver, and if that doesn't happen he has to pay us back, I hope. But we have very little hope that he will deliver, because he said he used our money to pay his taxes, which the judge asked him why he'd done that. He should have used his own money for that. Anyway, we've also heard some other things, that he's not allowed to order windows from the supplier windows anymore, etc. But we'll see what happens. So that's just a small little update. We just came back to the house. We haven't started any work since we arrived. It's been raining for the past days here now. And we will resume work in a couple of days, I think. Not sure exactly where to begin since we don't have the windows and we can't start working in the basement. So I think we're gonna focus on some minor work, but time will tell. So that's just a short little update for this video. I'll see you guys very, very soon. We're back in Italy. We are rested, we feel great, and we are happy to be back. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until next time, ciao.